banana,
banana,
orange,
orange,
mango,
mango,
grapes,
grapes,
pineapple,
pineapple,
strawberry,
strawberry,
watermelon,
watermelon,
papaya,
papaya,
peach,
peach,
lemon,
lemon,
lime,
lime,
grapefruit,
grapefruit,
tangerine,
tangerine,
mandarin,
mandarin,
pomelo,
pomelo,
kumquat,
kumquat,
bergamot,
bergamot,
yuzu,
yuzu,
blueberry,
blueberry,
raspberry,
raspberry,
blackberry,
blackberry,
cranberry,
cranberry,
gooseberry,
gooseberry,
mulberry,
mulberry,
boysenberry,
boysenberry,
cloudberry,
cloudberry,
elderberry,
elderberry,
huckleberry,
huckleberry,
cherry,
cherry,
peach,
peach,
plum,
plum,
nectarine,
nectarine,
lychee,
lychee,
rambutan,
rambutan,
longan,
longan,
jujube,
jujube,
dragon fruit,
dragon fruit,
passion fruit,
passion fruit,
star fruit,
star fruit,
mangosteen,
mangosteen,
jackfruit,
jackfruit,
sapodilla,
sapodilla,
cantaloupe,
cantaloupe,
honeydew,
honeydew,
muskmelon,
muskmelon,
Korean melon,
Korean melon,
bitter melon,
bitter melon,
sugar baby watermelon,
sugar baby watermelon,
persimmon,
persimmon,
fig,
fig,
feijoa,
feijoa,
Buddha's hand,
Buddha's hand,
salak,
salak,
noni fruit,
noni fruit,
chayote,
chayote,
pomegranate,
pomegranate,
tamarind,
tamarind,
custard apple,
custard apple,
soursop,
soursop,
barberry,
barberry,
ackee,
ackee,
miracle fruit,
miracle fruit,
medlar,
medlar,
jabuticaba,
jabuticaba,
Davidson's plum,
Davidson's plum,
pawpaw,
pawpaw,
African cherry,
African cherry,
buffalo berry,
buffalo berry,
chokeberry,
chokeberry,
ice cream bean,
ice cream bean,
raisins,
raisins,
dates,
dates,
fig,
fig,
prunes,
prunes,
dried apricots,
dried apricots,
dried cherry,
dried cherry,
dried blueberries,
dried blueberries,
dried banana,
dried banana,
tomato,
tomato,
eggplant,
eggplant,
bell pepper,
bell pepper,
okra,
okra,
pumpkin,
pumpkin,
chayote,
shallot,
bitter gourd,
bitter gourd,
lucuma,
lucuma,
meringue,
meringue,
breadfruit,
breadfruit,
umbrella,
umbrella,
safu,
safu,
sempedak,
sempedak,
bilimbi,
bilimbi,
langsat,
langsat,
celading,
killadang,
finger lime,
finger lime,
ice apple,
ice apple,
yanglai,
yangmi,
monsters deliciosa,
monsters deliciosa,
cupuacu,
cupiacu,
velvet tamarind,
velvet tamarind,
yumberry,
yumberry,
blood orange,
blood orange,
black sapote,
black sapote,
white currant,
white currant,
red banana,
red banana,
yellow passion fruit,
yellow passion fruit,
green apple,
green apple,
purple mangosteen,
purple mangosteen,
blue java banana,
blue java banana,
golden kiwi,
golden kiwi,
arctic raspberry,
arctic raspberry,
desert lime,
desert lime,
Himalayan mulberry,
Himalayan mulberry,
coastal hog plum,
coastal hog plum,
tundra berry,
tundra berry,
rainforest plum,
rainforest plum,
savannah pear,
savannah pear,
tropical cherry,
tropical cherry,
temperate apple,
temperate apple,
apricot,
apricot,
olive,
olive,
coconut,
coconut,
kiwi,
kiwi,
guava,
guava,
durian,
durian,
Galia melon,
Galia melon,
canary melon,
canary melon,
cassava melon,
cassava melon,
pomegranate,
pomegranate,
bale fruit,
bale fruit,
horn melon,
horn melon,
quince,
quince,
cherry fruit,
cherry fruit,
Indian fig,
Indian fig,
dried cranberry,
dried cranberry,
velvet apple,
velvet apple,
pink guava,
pink guava,